modern age of internet-ready smart TV, the television is a hub, the center of the home entertainment universe. Where you used to send audio and video from a source component like a Blu-ray player on a one-way trip to the TV, now you need to send your TV's audio out to play on a superior audio device such as a soundbar or home theater system. One possible solution is the Audio Return Channel, or ARC, which is covered in a separate video. But if your particular audio device doesn't support ARC, optical audio is an alternative to get great sound out of your TV. With a separately available optical audio cable, connect the TV to the soundbar or home theater the same way you would any audio source. It plugs into the TV's optical digital audio output, protected by a small, spring-loaded door on the back of your LG Smart TV with a gentle click. Next, look for an available digital optical input on the back of your sound device. Optical audio sends the sound signal as a series of light pulses, so be sure to never bend the cable too sharply or it won't work properly. Now that the optical cable is connected, use the magic remote to update the TV's sound setting. Press the Home button, then click on the settings icon up here in the corner. Then click on the Sound menu. Click on Sound Out, then click on External Speaker, Optical HDMI ARC. Now, all of your TV's audio will be output to your external soundbar or home theater system. If your audio device has more than one optical input, be sure to switch to the correct one for your TV. And remember that the volume will now be adjusted by the remote control for your external audio device. Or, if you set up this device for use with the universal control feature, you can use the LG Magic Remote instead. Either way, you'll find that your streaming movies can now sound as good as they look.